Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger app not working problem on Android or iOS. If you're experiencing issue with Messenger app not working on your Android or iOS device, here are some steps you can try to take and resolve the problem. First is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that the device is connected to a stable internet connection, as Messenger requires an active internet connection to work properly. Also update the Messenger. Go to the Play Store and in the top there's a search icon. Select that and look out for the Messenger app. Open it and make sure you're using the latest version of the Messenger app. Also, you can simply restart your app. You can open the Messenger app and close it up. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches, or you can also restart your device. A simple restart of your device can sometimes fix various app related issues. And if none of the above steps work, you can simply uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall back again. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the issue. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.